Vivo X200 Ultra is shaping up to be a true contender in the high-end smartphone camera for 2025, especially with its advanced camera system. It's designed to compete with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and Oppo Find X Ultra. This flagship is expected to raise the bar for smartphone photography. You get a 50 megapixel main camera, which is a large 1 by 1.28 sensor for superior clarity and detail. You'll get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. There will be 1 by 1.28 sensor capturing more shots in every detail, and you'll get a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto camera equipped with a 1 by 1.4 sensor providing incredible zoom capabilities. This is the exact camera that you will get from the X200 Pro. You will get a unique perspective in this camera, where the ultra wide will be at 1x and the main camera will be at 1.5x in the viewfinder, which is a pretty interesting choice. Though it will be a digital crop into it, you'll get a 6.82 inch 2K LTPO OLED screen with micro curves on all the four sides and narrow thin bezels. This information was leaked by reliable digital chat station but was later deleted, so maybe you can take it with a pinch of salt. It's expected to come in March or April, but it will remain exclusive to only China, making it a very big disappointment.